Namaste students, in this video we are going to see exercise 3.4 second problem in that first and second subdivision problems. Now read the second question first. Form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist. If they exist only you can find the solution by elimination method. Clear? So the first subdivision problem, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, a fraction reduced to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. What is the fraction? So they will give, from the statement you have to form the pair of linear equations. Actually they will give two statement. From that you have to form the pair of linear equation. The first statement is, if we add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 from the denominator, so we have the two things. One is numerator and another one is denominator. So which one you have to take it as a x and which one you have to take it as a y? Can you guess? Yes, let x numerator be x and the denominator be y. Therefore the fraction is x by y. Clear Kana? So they will give two statement and we have to find the two variable. Which is the two variable you have to find, and then you have to take that as a x and y and you have to proceed with the problem. Clear? Let the numerator be x and the denominator be y. And what is the first statement, Kana? Add 1 to the numerator and subtract 1 to the denominator. So x plus 1 divided by y minus 1 is equal to reduced to 1. So is equal to 1. Don't write negatives and reduce. So you have to write the negatives and don't do like that. It reduce, it gives is equal to 1. So now cross multiply. X plus 1 is equal to 1 into y minus 1. So you will get y minus 1. Okay. So x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. X plus 1 is equal to y minus 1. You have to frame an equation like ax plus by is equal to c. No. First x variable, next y variable is equal to constant. So minus 1 and plus 1 you have to shift, no. So that will become minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 2. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Clear Kana? Minus 1 is minus 2. Therefore mark this as equation 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2. So now you have to frame a second equation. From the second statement, it becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to the denominator. You have to add 1 only to the denominator, not to the numerator. Then you will get 1 by 2. Clear? So x by y plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now cross multiply. In right hand side also we have the numerator and denominator. So we have to cross multiply. So 2 into x is equal to 1 into y plus 1 is y plus 1. So 2x minus y, you have to write in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, no. So 2x minus y is equal to 1. Write the constant in the left hand side, right hand side itself. Mark this equation as 2. So we form the pair of linear equations. Now next what we have to do? By elimination method you have to solve this 2-1. So you can cancel anything here. See the x variable and y variable. In x variable we have 2 in the second equation, we have 1 in the first equation. But in y we have both 1 by 1 by. But same sign. Same sign means you have to subtract. Different sign means you have to add. Okay, ma'am. So same sign you have to subtract. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay. So what is the equation 2 first? 2x minus y is equal to 1. Write the equation 2. 2x minus y is equal to 1. And then write the second equation. X minus y is equal to minus 2. You have to subtract, no, change the sign. So first sign, in the first equation you have to change the sign. So 2 minus 1, you have to write negative there, okay. So 2 minus 1 is 1x. 1 is negative and 1 is positive in y, so we can cancel it. Is equal to, you have to change the sign in the right hand side. Minus 2 became plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Are you clear? You have to change the sign. Plus means minus, minus means plus. Clear? Because you are subtracting. Clear? So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Clear? After finding the value of x, you have to substitute that in equation 1, or you can substitute in equation 2 also. Clear? So I am going to substitute in the equation 1. X minus y is equal to minus 2. Instead of x, you have to substitute y is equal to, x is equal to 3. So 3 minus y is equal to minus 2. And then minus y is equal to minus 2 minus 3. Plus 3, if it is goes to the right hand side, minus 3. Minus y is equal to minus 5. Minus 5, you can cancel the negative on both the sides. So y is equal to 5. Clear? After finding the value of x and y, can you guess what is the fraction? Numerator is 3 and the denominator is 5. Therefore, the fraction is 3 by 5. After finding the value of 3 and x and y, you can substitute in the first equation and you can see whether you are getting left hand side is equal to right hand side. So, therefore, the fraction is 3 by 5. Clear, all of you? 3.4, second subdivision problem. Clear? So you have to frame a pair of linear equations and then you have to solve. If they exist, you have to solve by elimination method. See the question. 5 years before, Nuri was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later means after 10 years, okay. 10 years later, Nuri will be twice as old as Sonu. So the two statement they have given. Next, you have to find the Nuri age and Sonu age. Two things you have to find. So which one you have to take it as a x and which one you have to take it as a y? Nuri you have to take it as a x and Sonu you have to take it as a Sonu age. You have to take it as a y. Clear? So let Nuri, the age of Sonu is x and the age of Nuri is equal to y. Clear, Kana? Next, see the first statement. 5 years ago. 5 years ago means what? You have to subtract from the present age. You have to subtract from the present age. So after 5 years ago means x minus 5 and Nuri age is y minus 5. Clear? Age is twice. Twice means what? You have to multiply by 2. So Nuri age, that is y minus 5, was twice the Sonu age. So thrice. So 3 into x minus 5. Clear? So 3 multiplied by 3. 3x minus 3 5s are 15 is equal to y minus 5. Clear? So now you have to arrange 3x minus y variable is equal to already we have minus 5 and you have to shift minus 15 to the right hand side, then you will get plus 15. Plus 15 minus 5. Clear? Plus 15 minus 5 is what? Is equal to 10. So mark this as equation 1. So 3x minus y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. And then second one, 10 years later. 10 years later means what you have to do? X plus 10. Not 0, 10. And y plus 10. So whose age is twice as Sonu? Twice Nuri age, then y will be is equal to twice as old as Sonu. So you have to multiply with Sonu age 2. Then you have to multiply inside the bracket 2x plus 20. 2x plus 20 is equal to y plus 10. Then you have to write in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So 2x minus y is equal to 10 minus 20. You have to shift the constant to the right hand side. So minus 20. 2x minus y is equal to, bigger number sign is 20, negative, that is negative, so minus 10. Mark this equation as 2. Now you have to solve these two equations by elimination method. See which one you can cancel easily. We can cancel x variable. No, one is 3 and another one is 2. It is difficult. You have to make a common number and then only we can cancel it. But see the y. If you change the sign means you can cancel that one. No, same sign means what you have to do? Subtract. Clear? So subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Clear? So what is the, you can subtract equation 1 from equation 2 also, no problem in that. Clear? So what is the equation 2? From anything, I said no, anything you can subtract from equation 1 to equation 2 and equation 2 to equation 1. But they mentioned that equation 2 from equation 1. Write the first equation 1, 3x minus y is equal to 10, and the second equation 2x minus y is equal to minus 10. Now change the sign. If plus means minus, minus means plus. Have to change the sign and then only you have to simplify. Keep it in mind. Clear? So first one you have to change into negative, and if you subtract you will get x, 1x is equal to minus, we can cancel, plus, so plus 10 is 20, x is equal to 20. Clear? You have to change the sign in the variable also. Minus into minus, plus, so 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. The value of x is 20. Clear? After finding the value of x, you have to substitute that value in either equations. Okay, so I am going to substitute in the first equation. 3x minus y is equal to 10. 3 into 20, so we have 3x, no, so 3 into 20 minus y is equal to 10. 3 into 20 is 60. 60 minus y is equal to 10. So then minus y is equal to 10 minus 50. Minus y is equal to 10 minus 60. Clear? Then minus y is equal to, if you subtract, what you will get? Minus 50. Bigger number sign is minus, so minus 50. You can cancel the negative and then y is equal to 50. 50. Clear? The value of x is 20 and the value of y is 50. After finding the value of x and y, you have to substitute in the equation 1 and you have to see whether you are getting left hand side is equal to right hand side, then only your answer is correct. Therefore, the age of the Sonu is 20 years and the age of the Nuri is 50 years. Clear?
Are you all clear, children? Thank you.